Now, see this bump that's over here?
Stella, Splash, Simba, Hydrox, and Boo, the Lucky Ferals.
Good morning, Boo. Time to do a little brushing. Come on. Who wants a little brushing? Brush. Good boy. Who wasn't brushing? Simba. Good boy. Good boy, Simba. You like to be brushed? You like to be brushed? I know that. I know you like to be brushed, Simba. Oh, good boy. Good girl. Good girl, Stella. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. What's the matter, Stella? You don't want to be brushed today? Hey, Stella, you're being nasty. That's not nice. What are you doing, Stella? Don't you want to look pretty? You're pretty, Stella. Don't you want to look nice? Don't you want to look nice, Stella? Okay. Okay, Stella, then you're not getting brushed. That's nice. Everybody eats nice together. Good, Splash. You eat. Everybody eat. Hydrox is outside. I just fed Hydrox. He ate a little bit, and I don't know, he usually eats a little bit and sometimes comes back and finishes it up. It's 2:39 and Boo is laying in the cat tower. Now he's on the bed. Hi, Boo. How are you? Oh yeah, you're a good boy. You want a few little pets. Good boy, Boo. Good boy. Good boy, Boo. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy, Boo. Good boy. Yeah, you like old pets. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you want your belly rubbed? Yeah, good boy. Good boy, Boo. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Lay down, Boo. Good boy. You're such a good boy. You listen. You're a good boy. Good boy, Boo. Good boy. Stella is sleeping on her bed. She's tired. It's another cloudy. I think it's going to start to rain soon. So she's all snuggle in her bed and doing some kind of dreams. Maybe about catching a mouse or something. But she's in dreamland. Now, see this bump that's over here? This is where, did you hear? Splash? He just made a hiss because I found out this is his hiding spot. He hides underneath this blanket. So that's his hiding spot. Okay, the cats are ready to have their dinner, and it is pouring out. I just fed Hydrox, and thank goodness he ate all his food. So I was happy about this, but I'm just disgusted with the pouring rain and the cold temperatures. It's just horrible for me. And these cats are probably starving because it's that type of day. You could just sit and eat all day. I'm coming, everybody. I know you're waiting to eat. Okay? Everybody waiting to eat? I don't know. Something's freaked them out. And now they're not eating. Splash ran away, so I hope he comes back before Boo eats all his food. Hi, Splash. Hi, Simba. Are you comfortable up there, Splash? On the window sill? And how are you, Simba, today? Oh, you finished eating all your food? Good boys. Good boy. Splash. Good boy, Simba. Good boy. A good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy.
Right now it's about 6:39 p.m. and this is where dinner will be, on the lawn. And they're already setting up all of the food stations. It's like a buffet. Lots of tables. It's really nice. The weather is beautiful right now. This is the view from my balcony. It's a gorgeous view. And then here's the pool area. This is a really nice resort. I wish I had more time to actually enjoy the amenities instead of sitting in meetings all day.
Everybody ready for crunchies? It's crunchy time. Boo, you sitting? Hi, Splash. You ready for crunchies? And Simba's waiting, and Stella. Okay, come on. Everybody's gonna get their crunchies. Oh boy, you're all here. Yay. As you could see, they had fun with this catnip plant.
Thank you for watching this Lucky Ferals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.